Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the mirror command in detail. So mirror command can save you a considerable time when your part have some symmetry. So let's go into the SolidWorks and let's see how it works. So suppose we have an example part. I would like to go into the top view. So I have a top view here. Suppose I want to cut it from top to bottom, and then you are gonna see like the right and left part are identical. Or if I'm gonna cut it from left to right here, then you can see the top and bottom part, they are total identical. So the thing is, like, if the parts are identical or there is some symmetry, so why I need to draw all of those parts? So if you are gonna use the mirror, it's gonna save you a lot of time. You can just made a sketch of this quarter part of this body, and then you can made the mirror of this sketch, and then you can extrude that. Although this is also possible, but it's not a very good practice. So we always try to make our sketch as simple as possible for us. So let's go and let's draw a quarter of this part, and then let's use the mirror command. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a new part and I'm gonna draw the quarter of this part. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the front plane and start a sketch, and then I'm gonna draw a rectangle. And I'm gonna draw a circle here. Okay, if I want to give dimensions, so what I can say is from this side till this side, I could say this is 30 mm, and from this side till this side, let's say 20 mm. And if I'm gonna select the circle and I'm gonna call it, let's say 7 mm. And there is one another thing. I would like to draw a center line from the center of the circle to here, and another center line from the center of the circle till here. And next I would select this center line and hold the control key on my keyboard, and then select the second center line, and then I'm gonna make them equal. Okay, so in this way I would have like the circle at the equal side from both sides, and then I'm gonna go into the features and extrude the feature 10 mm, and it's fine for me. I'm gonna go and saw the front view. Okay, so this is the quarter part of the body which we already saw in the start. Okay, now what we are gonna do is we are gonna apply the mirror command on this body. So for that, what we need to do is we are gonna go into the features, and in the ribbon section you can see there is an option mirror. So when we are in the command of mirror, so it's gonna ask us automatically what face or plane you want to choose, and then it's gonna mirror the body with respect to that face. Suppose I'm gonna choose this face, or it's up to you. We can just choose the fundamental front plane, top plane, or right plane. So in that way, it's gonna just made a mirror on the another side. But look, right now it's in the feature to mirror, like it's gonna just mirror the feature. So I'm not gonna mirror the feature, I'm gonna mirror the whole body. So here at the downside, you can see there is an option bodies to the mirror. So I'm gonna select this body, and in that way you can see body is gonna be mirrored on this side. So I'm gonna check the green check mark. So in this way, we can just mirror the whole body.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.
So I'm gonna go back into the mirror again, and I need to choose a face or plane. So I'm gonna choose this face, and then automatically it's gonna bring you into the features. But we are not gonna go into the features, we have to go into the bodies and then select the body. So in this way, it's gonna mirror the whole body on the downside as well. We are gonna see by this view. So as you can see, we are already there from where we started this video. Okay, and if you don't like anything or if you want to modify the sketch, so we can go and we can see and we can just modify the sketch. Suppose I want to have a rectangle here. Okay, and I'm gonna exit the sketch. Look, the rectangle is gonna be mirrored on all the bodies which are mirrored from the primary body. So in this way, you can just modify the sketches and just look by using the mirror. Our sketch is really simple. We have just a quarter part of the body and everything else we have just mirrored. Okay, so what if I want to mirror again this body? So I'm gonna go into the mirror and then I'm gonna select this face and then I'm gonna select the whole body, and in this way I can have another mirror of the whole body. As we are already in the mirror command, so I would like to show you how to use mirror for feature as well. Suppose we can go into the front plane, top plane, model, right plane. Okay, no, it's not gonna work for us. So what we can do is we can go into the reference geometry and we can create a plane. So for the plane, I need to select this face and then I can select this face. So in this way, we can have a middle plane here. And then I'm gonna just click the green check mark. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna select this body going into the sketch and then I can just sketch a circle here. And then I can go into the features and I would say extrude cut. I'm gonna cut this circle and I'm gonna select the 5 mm for this and I'm gonna click the green check mark. So in this way you can see I already have a circle here which is extruded cut. So I'm gonna go back into the mirror again and then I would just select this plane which I already selected and then I would go into the features to mirror and then gonna select my feature, this one, and it's gonna be mirrored automatically on the another side of the plane. So I just need to click the green check mark. Look, so in this way I can just add a feature by using a mirror as well. So in this way you can use mirror command for features as well. So by using mirror command you can just mirror one feature or multiple features or the whole body, and I would say this is a really powerful tool and which can save you a lot of time. So this was all about the mirror command, which is a really powerful tool. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.